All right, boys and girls, welcome to Notebook Update number 8. And I'm going to start with the notebook contents page. You should have this on your second page of your notebook. Remember, it makes it easy. Maybe if you haven't done it yet, you could set this up during the break. I know that's kind of, I don't want to do anything from school during the break. But you got 16 days off. If you could take an hour, I don't think it should take longer than that. It might not even take that long. If you take that little bit of time and set this up, you're going to be organized, and if you stay up with it, it's going to be easy every time. All right, it's a lot of copying and pasting. It's not like you got to do a lot of writing or any kind of manual work. This is pretty easy stuff. All right, so we left off on comparing asexual and sexual reproduction. This one, all right, we had to do all the drag and drops. That was the last thing we put in the notebook, and it ended with this slide right here. So let's go back up there. The tab I added was Lab Class Traits. Right, the Class Traits lab, which in my notebook starts on page 198. 198. Let's go to that. That's what it started with. Got the background information, my little personal data for all my traits. All right, we got your link for the form on that page. It doesn't want to switch pages here. So we got our class data, 2 pages of that, and then the graph that I gave you guys to put in. All right. Let's go back to contents. Then the next tab I put in was the notes, Introduction to Genetics. And on mine, it starts on 205. You should be pretty close to that. Shouldn't be too far off on these. Go to that slide. We just put these, or we just got these notes, right, last Friday. Starts with this one. Got the cell, nucleus, chromosomes, DNA, genes. Remember that order. Got the video about Gregor Mendel. Some stuff from the book. More stuff from the book. Really focused on Mendel on these notes and his crosses. Some vocabulary there. Examples of traits. And you had 3 slides where you had to fill in. Hopefully you did that. If you studied that stuff, probably did pretty well on my test. Hopefully you put this in too. You were supposed to give me 3 example traits with pictures that are not listed in the notes. Do not have to be human, so you could have picked anything. I picked animals. So colors of feathers, color of fur, shape of beaks. All right, that's where you should be at. That's slide 218 for me. There you go. See you again for a notebook update number 9 in about maybe, I don't know, might not be till after the break.